So let's say you want to go ahead and then get information about some colors inside a Photopea and get the details of the color values. In that case, you can utilize something called the color sampler tool. So to do that, you need to click and hold on the sample section and then choose the color sampler. Once you go ahead and do that, you can click on multiple spots right here, and then you can see that it numbers out the different sample sections right here. But nothing seems to be happening right now, but it has recorded out the different color details. And to view them out, you simply need to go around onto window right here and then go to info right here. So once you go around onto the info section, you can see that I have some numbers right here, and then these are the numbers right here. For example, for number 1 right here, this is the RGB value. The red is 0, green is 84, blue is 86. Similarly, for number 2, that is this area, red is 109, green is 211, and blue is 213. Click on it again, and you get another color sample. Click on it again and you get another color sample, and so forth right here. You can go ahead and move a color sample as you like as well, and you can see that as I move around the particular number right here just like this, then the sample value changes out. And that is how you can go ahead and get the color sample value by using the color sampler inside a Photopea. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.